para revender. Y nosotros compramos para revender.
Money talk.
They gon' love me for my ambition. Beautiful music, painting pictures, this be my vision.
How's it going, everybody? Complex Ambition, this bitch sound. Black Cement 3s. I won 3 raffles.
My nigga, this is dedication.
So far, I got 3 pairs, you know what I'm saying? I came over here to Evelyn's, right there. I won a size 8 and another Evelyn's nearby, but then I came to this one to pick up my size 11. But then I was like, fuck it, first come first serve. Grade school sizes. Grade school size 7 is selling, you know what I'm saying? Grade school size 7 is more affordable. It's only $140 and it's selling for about, I want to say $220. So right there I got 7. You know what I'm saying? We're racking these babies up. It's not new to us, not a game. On to another pair. Last pair, Foot Locker here in Providence, Rhode Island, Providence Place Mall. We're gonna see how this goes. Woo. Secured the sizes, secured the bag. God's on our side. About to meet up with Marloon, Thunderstorm, to get another pair. See you then. Just pulled up right now to Marloon's house, right there. Can't show too much. Yeah, we live in an urban area because we're urban kids. Don't judge us. Here we have him right now. His hair's down. Kind of reminds me of a goddess in the middle of the night. Kind of reminds me of a goddess in the middle of the night.
Size 7.
Size 7. So let's look at all the pairs together now.
Para revender. Y nosotros compramos para revender. Sí.
That's money
Ellos
talk.
salieron hoy en la mañana.
Money talk.
Sí. Size 7, tenemos 2 pares, un size 8.
Here we have the adult sizes, you know what I'm saying? 2018 Black Cement 3 Retro 3s. Here's some kid sizes. You guys can compare. 2 size 7s. And by the way, these are all available. ComplexAmbition.supply. Instagram, DM us. That's another fast car passing by. As we said before, we are in the hood, but this is our natural habitat. Our natural habitat. As you can see here, difference between, real quick, adult size, little 3 little whole laces. Over here, 2 whole lace.
I don't need how they bring the freaking tag to them.
Brings the tag. You know what I'm saying? It gives a whole nother element. Comparing them side by side. You know what I'm saying?
I'm not gonna lie, I kinda wish I bought a pair for myself.
What, 8.5?
Yeah.
Ooh. There you guys have it. Comment down below. How do you guys feel about this classic shoe? Them releasing it again. Good idea. I love this. This is one of my favorite Jordans.
I love the Black Cement 3s. I love them.
One of my favorite Jordans. You know what I'm saying? We gotta keep it 100. One of my favorite Jordans are these, along with, I feel like these and the Breads are like classic Jordans. Cement 3s, Bread 11s,
Bread 4s.
and like,
I like those a lot.
these are good, man. They did a good job with these. Re-releasing them All-Star Weekend again. They've been doing a lot of drops. Yesterday was the top 3 gold ones. I reacted and reviewed to those. Video up. But yeah, here you guys have it. Black Cement 3s. As the sneakerheads say, cop or drop. Cop or drop. You know what I'm saying? I guess that's a question up for debate. But there you go. There we have it, man. What's next? What's the next shoe that's dropping? I know that the OVO Jordans came out this weekend.
You got a pair, Luke.
Yeah, I got a pair size 8 white. I got them from the actual OVO store raffle entry, but they're dropped on the Nike store, and I feel like there's something else dropping. I'm not sure. Maybe the Justin Timberlake 3s are coming out soon. Grailed eBay. Links available in the description if you want to purchase these. And like I said earlier, man, I don't even know what I said earlier, but pretend I said it. Our ambition's always complex. And yeah, sneaker reactions, sneaker reviews, movie reactions. We do everything. You know what I'm saying? You hear that in the background? Like I said, we're in the hood. This is our natural environment. This is our natural environment, you know what I'm saying? So we hear a lot of noises. It's like the jungle. Like you go to the jungle, you hear a lot of animals. That's what we hear around these neck of the woods, Providence, Rhode Island. You know what I'm saying? If you guys are watching this from another state or something, comment down below. How's it going out there? I know that this state, we're gonna hit about 60 degrees next week, I think. So I'm not sure if that's a good thing though, because niggas gonna have a heart attack. It was hot as fuck yesterday for a minute.
I was at work. I don't know how the fuck it was outside.
Yeah, I mean, and as far as what's on our feet right now, you know what I'm saying? Got the Filas.
Don't even put my shit.
Got the Filas.
My shit's undestroyed.
Got the OG Raptors. These are actually from 1990s. You know what I'm saying? To the point that he just put some spikes on them. Because the nigga likes spikes. You niggas was too scared to put spikes on your shoes, but he did it, you know what I'm saying? Because now it has two purposes. It's a shoe and it's also a weapon.
Yeah.
So, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
What more can we say? Check out the Complex Ambition Gaming channel. And yeah, until next time. Sound!